20 years, I mean, actually, so he's been so faithful to me, and then I have been a blessing to many people over the years. And you know, come around there or that actually chairman or changing the destiny and the path. Fisa, baby, no, ya mami, uba, so many. Not everybody is called to do what some of us have been called to do. Yenti Jane, Samitasi, Uba, so many. It's a new Christua, and can make the him fan and I'm here for a man is when Tommy. Why can't she rest so much from me?
I know say it's been a while I would say yeah gospel musician no bonketia enka na makodie de much no aba mi seti so na owo me nche na wo hwe mi sabonkum so a eye ya nuabema no bonketia enko ba bia tina sidin na chen mi cha me musima na ye ba ya toa so ya de ni na no boba ko pe it's the same.
I hope I don't know.
Oh, my pao.
I don't. She said you're more FM.
Oh, me does say. Ah, it's been a while I tell one can na. What was saying?
No. And I baby in Kofu Bishan say, if I know, if you go to Zambia, but room I am and call baby.
What's that? Now we look you fresh to say. We show us scared car, Charlie.
Done a
But you still look fresh and still anointed. Are you married?
Yes.
Because Ghana has seen us say, are you confused? It's all we are not so married.
But I'm worried.
Hey, I want you too much GH for my ambassador. Oh,
Munkafra.
Nah, the Benga worry.
I think the 15th February last year.
Oh, just last year.
Yeah, just last
year. Hey, congratulations, Bill.
Thank you. Thank you.
I see. Okay. I feel about the bonkomo. Now, we hear say, ube be nsem bi mwa den. Actually, it's here for our wedding or show. Gospel industry, you know. A free message I was 30 years. For how many years you've been in the movie in the gospel industry?
That's it. And because I say exactly 20 years in
wow.
My power became really because my album became released here, which is Yesudo. Was released on 24th January 2001. Until 24th January, I trained me exactly 1 year, like 20 years now. Back on team.
Wow.
Till 20 years more than me.
And you should yes, so yeah. Oh, I see. Now you're too palm, you send in I'm to sign him.
Yeah, so say I'm sampa.
Industry, ever since I was 30 years old, born you know, difficulties, be man, I say, at what age now was 30 years when you more the summary.
Alright, me Jesus say, do you know the and I said, maybe I said, yeah, was as you see, me your friend say, I can see you, and I say, challenges, baby. So I'm so be far challenge, but see, Elika say, me and some nanka, me, I'm a doctor.
Oh, sir.
Because we are science school. Na enyem to ndene achede ewu but me gidi se me was secondary school na enyem to eji no kesi na me ka say after secondary school na we fie na me just start say me adwuma na me chade kakra ewu na me dai na me ton no ma a friend of Blue, those times, return fools. Now, one morning, be an ama, sorry, I'm here, Romana, one corner. I want to be a friend of Morris Babyface.
Morris.
Now, one be studio for be a friend hates the guitar studio. Those times, now, Ochemako, a studio. I'm not saying a tune. Your mate or thing, no, dinner, or your friend say, event papacy, if you know, be a friend of papacy. Because, papacy, what did I say now? What is here? I was saying, I was saying now, we January see na Dimachina, when from go studio and call a quarter. That's how we did, and Miss Mija and the medicine Dimachi. Now, what you know, Penny, I recorded a couple. You know what you mean? Now, we're signing a new contract for me to be promoted. Exactly 3 weeks now, when you want Ashita, Ghana, yes, Abuchi, a bit more bolo, Abuchi. Those times, so now, radio stations, Ghana, and North Libya, and the FM stations are those times because GBC. I think it's a piece, few of the radio stations na level na until na onumna ba baby I say baby no baby no get into it na e kashe na kokoni no say exactly 1 month na menu that number 1 or every chart or country so until maybe you to be a bar of say it was sudden and bibi na ma plan say person but I said a woman a beto so no na me adom 20 years na me actually so he's been so faithful to me and then I have been a blessing to many people over the years and enunam na come erade a odi actually chairman or changing the destiny and the path.
Wow. That's very interesting. Now, and you getting a decaya only Morris Babyface a year.
I was said, I used to don't the hate song on the song. Then kind of one on recording. And because I recorded, you know, academy now. I was said, because me, I said, I can't just say, no, and now they are planning to be recording album. It's not your natural problem, say, just about 5 or 6. Nti actually you so record and say na sure dia can na is don't dey na na watching na me promoter those times there for one from friends executive managers executive producers now promoting beats a big band Ajuku to me with this music and a big band. Now maybe promote an FM ad mass. Now for no bed my for. Into the Morris will be say or be a promotion. Now Morris the man or be another Morris or minimum a big man. To a tear now yellow corners and we did and was so no business one night. But was a fancy I was small boy, you know, I was going to pass out and say, I'm not saying born or say, the more catching wow. And the honor of friend assistant on India. So Uncle Bank and now only those times, me and young convertees can man Ghana cedis. Oh, 1 million Ghana cedis. That's a way a from millionaire. Now, because it's Kaka was so my life in apply 50,000. And if I see,
okay.
Now me wanna me 200 pay my 20 million cedis. And them say no be front money. All man dey grant supply na. What is answer na be am fama mo fofo.
Wow.
Na eni die ni chese se many wo eni die mu ni chese ni je be share makum. Tenu na Yesu don start to say eba. Like I was just thinking about how good and how faithful God has been because I'm coming from a place nobody expected say I'll become what I was becoming that moment. And if there was any hope in me, if someone had told me say a time was gonna come, not so like somebody who give me that kind of money. Me mommy need be, and then if you need be, and we weren't expecting it. So like I was so excited. And any gym, I started saying, "Me, to me, go show me two new numbers." Now you know what I'm saying. It's just coming. I mean, you know, saying a kubutu na kona koto. Intino. That song was not written. It just came out right in the studio. Because booth nimu and started between and then I started so accompanying with the keyboard and Intino. Whatever was on the tape was just once done. And then, so we see him at the tail end, you can feel say like I was breathing hard and I was crying in the song because I was all tears. And you know, you really and not as a issue, but Morris said he loved the passion to which I used to sing the song. Into one person I started to because me too and he won't get the same effect now. So there was an idea of putting what we call voice coder on the phone. There was a new software there. Now, but that particular song said, it was an effect that was put on the song just to cover up the cry that was on the song because we decided not to change for me to sing again. And eventually, it became the hit song on the album. So I felt that song was just prophetic and like God really wanted that song to be out. And I believe that those times people heard that song and they just couldn't believe it was coming from me. And they just because then I was the youngest gospel artist.
At what age?
I was just 20 years, almost 18 to. It was 4 days to my birthday. So my 21st birthday. So let's say I was 20 to 21. You know what I said? I was 20. So it was just I was very young. And then those times when I was very smallish and very slim and so who me because small boy and then those songs were Table Sisters, Daughters, Mark Abraham, Adamiku and most they were only adults that were doing gospel music. One yet almost help life. So it was just something new and also made people embrace me because then I also gave light to the young ones that were coming that but then the young guys can also so right from there people like Owari Jr., Moses Oke, OJ, those people also coming up and those times I mean gospel music was dominating the airwaves unlike it is today.
Okay. Indeed, it's really interesting. Na also new bedroom baby no oye udinka yibaya fini enti udinka bio na eno so e ko ba ni saying
nya begin but people were not hearing from me again. I was still in the minds of the people because then like people knew my songs was being played all the time but you know as consistency people that last you would want you to release every now and then and I was not releasing so it was like I was dormant, but then I was living in the minds and the hearts of the people. But being honest, it got to a point where, I actually started a project for street children. And then I had some difficulties in my marriage, those times. Yeah, let me just put it, I was married before.
Yes.
Okay. And then I went through some challenges.
Wait, so you were married before?
Yes. I was married before, and then the marriage was not successful. Yes.
Wow.
So during those times, there were challenges and all that, and it really had a toll on my career. And also because of the project, that led me to probably focus on the children because they became my joy those times. And I said, maybe I share the project because of the kids. So I wasn't doing music full time at that time. So probably that's the reason why I went dormant for a while.
Or more, or producers near more your managers, say, when your movie, Jumane, do baby, say, ọmụ no yɛ adwuma sika ne ba ayɛ ọmụ fa bebre na ọmụ de kakra bi de ayɛ de ɛde ama artist no enti ɛyɛ ankɔfo tiri mu no na ọmụ gye sɛ bia o manager ebia wo di sika anase bia sisi ano wa brogu wo say gospel musicians for mo mi ba edu ba bia no ma yede no mo di ankata wonti o nka bio enti no na wo kofu bebre chim say bia o manager di sika anase bia wonum no wonfa enum bia ye encourage me yede emba out bio mitina ema o di so kata asa no
no kwe wo say those times you know yeah artists we're not getting so much from our music like it is today. Then you say so be promote those times they spend so much money on the album and then first recording and then promoting the album. And there was this issue of Iola, a friend said you have to pay DJs for them to play and all those things. And now most of them no. Because they all it's kind of more spending now. It becomes difficult for them to also give part of it a huge sum of money. So some of us were doing what we were doing or the music because we love it and we were passionate about it. It was not more like now as it's become more business. You know, you put in now the social media, you can put your songs online and get money from it and all that. And then again, from with time to you know, before, even when I started, now a cassette faded away and they buy CDs. Now CDs too, pirating came in. And most of them were not producing the CDs because movies on way out my book because CD now they buy no CDs and also turn outside, so they were not getting much. So most of the promoters need to stop the business, especially with gospel. Unlike secular music where they think they could get the masses for the shows and to recoup their money. Gospel, well, yeah, gospel industry shouldn't say yes, you bet scripture. And it was more like say it was charity. Cause Ube produce, Ube spend so much. Ube shows now Kofunches Karamamba, a one person get yes and so was all in the free show was becoming too many, so like they lost the interest in producing gospel artists. Unlike secular artists or feel say when they do shows that people will come, they will pay and all that, they get their money. So they'll always be fall on us. We are artists that you have to be producing yourself, you have to record yourself. And as time went on to recording became very expensive. So most people also couldn't have much money to record. But we managed. I mean, some of us together were also doing other things. Also got you get the money from income from somewhere else, then you put into the music. Not just because you're expecting the returns from it, but because you want people to be blessed, you want people to hear. But of course, when you put in and it's not coming in and all that. I mean, you also sometimes at the point you also have to wait for a while until you can get support from elsewhere before you can come up. But then we didn't sustain ourselves. You know, meaning adwuma ya ahofa mane Nyankopɔn adwuma no don't see we still standing and we're doing as much as
okay. It's a bia producer be and a manager be I'm a one come. Okay, person is some way so. I didn't hear na gospel musicians no or my shifty or more focus to see from spirituality a core canal interest.
Same way, you know, I normally I'm not in comfortable discernment some reason. I always say it's about individual and what they believe in. I think it's not a gospel artist na Nyankopɔn afraid one. And you'll be also and our what the industry and I say ministry for what it is meant for. Okay, it will be hard. If you say gospel music and now you get the fame, you get the popularity. Go for so be also born more business Obi said that born because of the opportunity now to really travel outside the country. Obi born back home now or promoting him na year or the call embassy now or visa now on time. So everybody will be the reasons to which are born him. But as for why people is shifting the focus is because I believe that most of them, not everybody, but most of them don't believe why they've been given the gift like their mom. This is a ministry. Yours is to impart into the lives of the people. And the Bible says in Luke chapter 4, it says, the time is coming when true worshippers shall worship God in truth and in spirit. And further, it goes further to say, such is what the Father seeketh. There are so many people that goes to church today. If you ask yourself, how many people are true worshippers in the church? The church members are many, but the true worshippers are very few. So it is. There are so many gospel artists, but not everybody is a genuine gospel artist who is doing it as a ministry. Reason or the so until you really can identify, that is why most of the songs you hear are now, it doesn't stay long. When I was young, I was listening to Daughters of Glorious Jesus. I was listening to Table Sisters, Amy Newman, Stella Dugan. Till date, you still listen to the songs and you have the impact. But there are some of the songs that came later on. Today, after 2-3 months, the song fades away. Nobody plays it again. You yourself, you know, go and listen to it. Why? Because there's no power in the song. There's no spirit in the song. It's more like entertaining people. And after you being entertained, you want something else to entertain you. You know, so there are songs that lives long in the lives of the people. There are songs that are released or produced that stays in the hearts of the people for so many years, for generations to come. Other generations come and they come and hear and they still are blessed with the song. So it is. There are people whose songs who are doing songs that are forever living songs. Okay, and the impact the songs have on individuals, you know, it's now check for so many ages upon ages. So it depends on you, the listener, to know what kind of song you're listening to and whether you want to. You make your choice on what. So the truth of the matter is, not everybody is called to do what some of us have been called to do, and not everybody. And you'll be a botaye and I am a botaye. And me personally, I believe that God has a purpose for giving me the voice that He gave me, and for the songs He gives to me. Like I said to you, the Used to Do was not part of the song. The album that I was recording, it came later on. And then for so many years, 20 years now, still it is blessing so many people. That's the kind of spirit I'm talking about. And so, like Jesus said to the man who came to him, he says, Jesus told the disciples a story. Or say, a chaff, so that is how let everybody do it. I cannot stop somebody. If you want to come out with a gospel song, I cannot stop you from doing it. But when you do, it takes the people who listen. I believe that the true ones are there, and those that are doing it for their own purpose are there.
Those that are doing for their own purpose are there. Does the Bible support divorce?
The Bible does not support divorce. You see, the Bible says that just what He, God, has put together, let no man put asunder.
But wait, I didn't hear gospel musicians for the room. The brain na eja warrior.
It depends on who left who and who be over. And you only eja warrior eja.
Oh, dear one eja.
That is not for me to talk about here. and I don't want to talk about it because I don't want to offend someone else. But let me tell the truth as it is. The point is, it's not everybody, it depends on what circumstance it is. Now, in my circumstance, let me put it this way. I was very much scared about leaving the marriage, okay? And there was a moment where it got a point where I felt so much depressed. And I felt that, because nobody understands you. You're the only one feeling what you're feeling. When you tell your story to people, they might think that it is you or whatever it is. Until one time, I heard a voice that says that God said that what He has put together, what He has put together, let no man put asunder. God says what God has put together, let no man put asunder. It is not up to me, the man, to put asunder. But God never tied Himself to the word. He said that what He had put together, man is not supposed to put asunder. But God that puts together has the right to put it asunder. So I wanted to ask God to let His will be done in my life. And so whatever happened later on, I feel that God made His will be done in my life. And today, like I said, I'm remarried and I'm happy. And my ex-wife is remarried and is living happily with and I had 2 more kids now. And I believe that we are all happy now. So as to who this and who that, I do not want to talk about it because I don't want to offend anybody here. And it's not for public. That's why you did not hear that, And I don't believe in sharing my personal issues on air for everybody to say whatever it is. I owe it to God, and God is the only person responsible for what actions I take, and He's the only one that I pay allegiance to. So what He finds me is what I believe in. That's it.
Okay. What is your view concerning LGBTQ plus? Then I walk up on. Yes, sir. I was say, nipa daseni. Yes, sir. This gaysism, lesbianism. Yes, sir. Nipa daseni. And I say Christoni. And then you will be shimana.
I'm a Christian. Or let me put it, I'm a believer.
Okay.
And my Bible speaks frankly against those things. And so I personally do not believe that it's something that I will personally encourage somebody to do it, or I will accept it in my life, or personally do it. And so for any reason or for whatever matter it is, I don't think that it should be done. So the recent arguments here about the people talking about people's rights and all this. Yes, you might have rights, but it's not all rights that are right to do. The fact that I feel that so tomorrow I decide that I want to rob you because I feel like I need to rob to get money. Is it right? Is it your right that I want to rob? It's not your right. If I want to do it, you cannot stop me from doing it. But I ask myself, let's ask ourselves, is it a right thing for me to do? Whatever you do that will be an impediment to somebody's life it should not be done. So, and it is not right. So if we all have a norm and a culture and always says that this is not what it's supposed to do, and you feel that it is your personal right to do it, I don't think it is right. It has to be what we all accept that it is good before we can do it. If we all says that it is not, you can't stay and say, media, this is my right, so I have to do it.
Mincha, why no? But Kofu bebre so kase was say Ghana has said Jitum said the beya or monso so no benya or fan with you. And
didn't say family papa. Obian to me van say Obia person ordinary pay yet your car. There will be chaos in the country. So what you say. And they say me sorry 77 period. My son said, "Maybe I'm already 15 years. Now me come do say me no mother. And I say I'm already 9 years. Now me come out here me say what's up me mother. Is it right for me to do that? No, some economy could me too sana mona ya chinia. Ya didn't bet you. The records are differently acronym. So, but then obisu me so met makasa me so desire no. Me so makono no stand me so be. But it is not all desires that are right. So that is why Bible says that wisdom must teach you to know what you have to do, which is right and what is not right. So I do not personally accept it, and I don't think it's something that we must accept. It's in the country.
Okay. Now, what did he say? Say, Ebani say, Omajia to mu Ghana ha say ya. Susan so bi wo kwa people break Ghana for Ghana krona kasana.
Is that we are. I mean, if I'm right, over 60 to 70% of Ghanaian populace are Christians, and the Christian values and principles says that when these things happen, it brings curses to the land. And I don't think that we want that one for this country. It is something that God hates. And whatever God hates, I don't think we should love or we should accept it to happen. So the repercussions are very, very dangerous. It's not a road that we should tread. We always say, Yanisha Mamaya, Sana in your course. Nation is similar.
That's a mamma na Sanya Manicosina. Almost go.
It's money, everything. The devil gives money. Into so we could Obinas or the Koyesica do no disca. And it is all successful. So, what if you now do see case, so be bold of fee. No, but sister will seek another corner, yeah. Why are successful? It should not be accepted. The fact that Obiwo scam does not make the person successful or make it good. There's so many ways of it, so many ways people can make money. And money is not success. Being wealthy is not necessarily having money. Being wealthy is the happiness and the joy that you have in you. Then Suri and Nihana Selmo, a book nipa ne ade hwenyoma plan to make crashing nipa de ho kroma eti insira nyankopon de man ne ahombanbo nyankopon de boy no nyi ni se benya bi wo ba bia the fact say ye guso ye bon mo ni say ye susu ye bedrum pembe so ye drum enche say ye ngi bibia ntum ni ye nkoso ye de sa de ne ba he na ho susa so susu e dos intimate me mum de minji ndi say e wo say etusa.
Okay. What did you say was say you to sign number? And then no say gospel musician or to you ma do baby peno. Now fe ye betian say ni pano or ye osofo. The next week ye betian say ni pano a prophetess. Is it say omu ye a normal a double and I say a greed because of money cinema or mutu you na do baby. Now fe or ma dani say omu ya sofo ni bi mu e ma so mema no yes or is said omu ya sofo na na so say they are prophetess. Obi kwa to be so yum sa na fe or shall come at the mouth say. You think say a normal dear was say happy and I say a greed come cinema or yes sir.
Well, mean to me say a greed. Means to me say a no or whatever it is. The crow woman say and you the na and it said it here. And you much of it comes with so many other gifteds. Personally, so anytime they are made to me, and I say me only but don't me to me. There are times God reveals things to me. And the revelation God gives to me is to minister to a couple of people there. Whatever. They may and you know what you're those are the people God identified and God revealed you are or co-program. Yet because or co-continue you are feel how be one so I did your share so what is it be say because was so my to man ko bia ko me between menya family and I said such a person comes with the whole heart open and ready to receive from God and those people nankopon efa enyu to e wonsha obi o ha oba no adeso bi da so oba ha enyu to no an nankopon fa so edi yi honyo bi free ni fa so obi so oba Mera ho won we no obe oba from kono ni ji bi ahye na kono. Through ministration, God reveals so many things in him. However, as Christians, Christopher Asofuku, every Christian is supposed to be an evangelist. I would me account Nyamiasam Atrubia. The fact that we can Nyamiasam, and I said the fact that we become does not necessarily make you an ordained pastor or prophetess. It's a calling that God called out people for. There are so many people in Israel who are now God was revealing things to Joseph, but he never called himself. He was never a prophet. Okay, God revealed himself to David, but it was whenever he needed to seek something from God, he went to Samuel to tell him the mind of God. But people, I mean, in recent times, people feel when they are able to see some things or God reveals things, they are prophets, so they want to start
church
and fellowship and all these things without having the grace to pastor a human being, to take care of or to pastor or to be responsible for a couple of people. Requires a special grace to be able to do that. If you don't have that one, you cannot fellowship. And that's why we see the things we see. Almost also a prophet and check now I it's all because they got to a point where they feel like they needed all these things to be able to get them, sustain them today. And it's because they are not called for it. They don't have the grace for it. Only news are domino for it. So I believe that we should do what God has put in our heart. God, we know deep down our heart, God has called us for it. Now, I'm for so from now I'm sorry, prophet. Now, I'm sure pastor because it has its own special grace. That I can preach the word, I can speak God's word, I can speak God's wisdom to people. And it does not necessarily make me a pastor. What God has called me for is to use the voice I have to be a blessing. And trust me, where my voice has reached in the corners of this world, maybe me a pastor, that's the calling God has given to you. And when you focus on that one and do, you could be a blessing to many, many people that you can't even think of. But like you said, but we feel say your pastor. The offering now so many have their reason, like I said. So many people have so many reasons and purpose for doing whatever they do. But I don't have the right to condemn or to say that this is right or this is not right. But when you know them, like Jesus said, by their fruit, you shall know them. So whatever we see, if they are genuine, we'll know. If they are not, posterity will tell.
Okay. Yes, I said some of the gospel musicians, some are into lesbianism and some are also into gayism. What be beside?
I've heard that.
Okay.
But I've personally not seen somebody done it before, so I can't say that this and that or that. I've heard a couple of people do that.
But I didn't know yes, sir, because you said we are gospel musicians for a moment and more to etching Accra Emenyami. And today, was say ma omuno yes, sir. Because a lot of people are looking up to them. So omuno to you must say will be kind a can't kuma or be or I'm here mukrana only to Mrs. Sunny Pano or do how Bobra Bonnie be crying. You now want to know if Mrs. Sun. It's a dientina and perform with me at Sunum a casadity because you've been new to Mukran a preaching. Edema yes yetiemo enti die enti na wose omode omo hyesa kind of branding die enti na wose omode omo hyesa branding.
First of all, enya ade papa. However, only nipa. The fact say omo to enyum gospel music and say omo kan anyasem, even pastors, I've heard pastors and all other people, women of God, being lesbian and gays and all that. They are human beings and they have weaknesses. See, all of us are not, nobody is perfect. Each one of us has weaknesses and we have our flaws and the things that that does not please God that we do. You understand? Me no be kasa one to no me didn't attempt. So it's not right. But I do. And ebia me no be actually to be or be so and I said any other thing. In the same way, these people are human beings. They are not angels. They are human beings and they have weaknesses. The most important thing is that when we see such people, what we have to do is to pray with them and ask God to deliver them. Because I think that such things are spirits. Just like somebody is possessed to pick up a knife to stab somebody. In the same way, the evil one can possess somebody to do all these things. And I believe these kind of things, you know, and when it happens, I think that we do not have to. Personally, I don't think that we have to condemn them because I feel they need help. They need to be counseled and to be prayed for to deliver them from such act. One day Akoba argue said, "Oh, be a but I believe that in the same way that anybody would defend whatever they do that is not right, so would they also defend themselves. And right. But we need to pray with them because it's a spirit that is happening. It's not a good thing for a Christian or a believer to do. In the same way, it says that people are committing adultery, people are fornicating left, right, and the first said, "Oh, obi any gay or any lesbian," but all the fornicating does not make you right. You are equally as the same person, and such people also that's their weakness. And if we will pray for such people to deliver them, for them to repent, so must we also pray for such people to repent. I don't think that a Yomania and ODS and a home will be Jenny Penuma because and this are me who are the Kuntia, me a Bema, Nami whom Yonko Bema said, more common person in it. And I mean, who are the Kuntia, Bemo Bar, Sumun Yonko Bar said on Cordon, a spirit that comes into a person. Because any normal, now go on to say this, the didn't also we go to the opposite and then will do how I say, or sorry, or say, whom so I boy, until you say, or any person. It's not right. If it is not spiritual and yet demonical, it can happen. So people who are saying, "Me one, me condo some person me no wonder." How does it make it right in a normal person to want to sleep with an animal? It is not normal, and such people will need counseling. They need prayers. As a Christian, as a believer, I say that they need prayers. And a normal person will say they need counseling, and probably psychologists have to speak to them to But as a Christian, I believe that we have to pray for them, ask God to deliver such people, but we shouldn't condemn them.
Okay, say no. Is it that nipa no omo paye entia because you say nipa oyemre and I say onyame to senia e na timi e de etimi bewura won na so motimi attack you into no omo yesa no. But some of the gospel musicians no yes no. Is it say omo pae bom and omo nyame sum no enye strong into na ma sanis na beti no mo a omo di boss abrawe.
Yeah, it's true that yes, when you are weak in prayer, when your relationship with God is limited. So if you one Nyankopon na montu no enye so because if you don't align yourself with God in this work, because anyway, we mustn't forget that the devil was yes, he knows what it feels like. There's a lot of things that music attracts, and the devil knows what the impact what we are doing can give. Okay, and so if you are not careful, the devil can steal you. I mean, can maybe and then put certain things into your mind and then take absolute control over you. And so we need to constantly pray ourselves, and we also plead or advocate for people that listen to us to also continue to pray as that God will continue to protect and let His grace continue to be on us, so that sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ abɔnsam ɛnwiaeɛ na saa nneɛma yɛmfa yɛn ho ɛnkɔhyehyɛ saa nneɛma yi nyinaa. So ate ase enti no I think yes, even as we are doing this for God, the devil also knows the impact this is going to, what we are doing will do, and will always fight us in such way. So yes, when you are weak in the spirit, these things are possible to happen. NDA see that we are in the say the course na your vampire. See the be na all the time. Na sa na manu amfa.
Wow. Ye ni abema no kunketia. Yeti onwuma che, yeti onka che, se de ya wotu nwuma ema ke se ye hu de timi sane ye no. Ye be pese obetu onwuma bi ama ye ni etiefo nyina ye den ama omate oni. Yeah. Okay, adofo ye ni abema no bunketia gospel musician. Yeni obema so no fefefe na yene no echichi enkomo no na midin ede Doris Efiansroma tuma GH ba kope onua ye pe ene betimi ede anwumtofo a omo esisi so anwumtofo a omo dimo ebebremu ai enti no enko ba bia e wo se subscribe ye de ede ma ye YouTube channel so much GH ko Instagram ne ko Twitter ne subscribe e na o comment so de enya ye pa wa de nche so no tro wa ase e ma ye cha ye ho sima abasisi a na ye ba ya to aso sa kwa ba bi ye betwa ye nkomo twetwe ne so no bo ya ti say wo yo sofo na wokwa wajanyo mnutu ama wo just sofo na just say woni da so a wo hyehye onkom akese
menya sofo enyo to na na meto
mi ne ka se wajanyo mnutu
dabi menya anyo mnutu pra
okay
me ne wo ka se papa wa fofo enchebia nanga wasa ka abadaga but because of the ban president the two events until I actually chance to kakra.
Okay, so why you say be the wedding?
Ani, also we can catch us this year be 20th anniversary.
Yeah.
In Nyame adoma there are a series of events may first may celebrate me 20 years anniversary. But then before then I'm releasing my new album.
Okay.
Friend the Christ.
The Christ. And nothing said one name edino the Christ.
Yes, the Christ because Nyankopon to makoma so say I say nyama SC and recently and ne asofu bi no and djuma omudie ne omono yo kamia say Kristo din no abafom omugu Kristo din no evufi egu ne nimase se ama dipadodo no mpokra enji ye fe ne say edin Kristo no eni obi se edin a ye de to nipa obi ase Christ Jesus de kokọ Spain no obenya bi ho obi kwa se ye fe no Ghana Jesus obi si chese Jesus nje obi atumi ebobi na emom de me pesa me kire wi ase nya ne say Jesus ya ye kan no Kristo the Christ Jesus na ye kan no de omo ankwa no Jesus na ye ka ho asem ne ye de obewu ma me no mienu Jesus na ye kan no ye de oti eja ne nsanifa so enne a wodi ma me no mienu enti the Christ Jesus the Christ enti album no enuma wo so nyina eka Kristo ne na ho foma na yankofa ene de wa ye ma me ne de obetumi ayama ne ho hia o se odi ni di na ho se oda so ti ase odi ma ni
na edin Christ ya wo dia to wood wonu ni so yi wonji di se ba ko fa ensensem ni ntokwa ba because Christ ya wo dia to se akwesa se bi mu de enye Christ ni bi na omo som
no enye obi nti na meye eye de Nyankopon de atomako so me bia me ka se me de wafra me no ne dwuma na me di me ntie de nkofo ga na nkofo wo se o dia se de wo se wo hwe de trend na ekoso no wo se wo hwe de ekoso me nya trend me ye de Nyankopon se me nye ma ne ma ne eno susu mu na Nyankopon fa so edi hira fofo because me ni Nyankopon adwene se me susu me de me hwe nipa na ma ye me de nipa epe but bia na eno na Nyankopon epe ma ene ma ana pa ma nipa enti de Nyankopon ese me se me ye na me ye ena Christ no se ba ko fa controversy aba no ne de eno nyama se me ye de me ye na ma ja de aka na ma Nyankopon no kasa wa ye de o ho pe
na so wo di ba na se obi bo echi se na di ntia na no bo akoko fa Christ so be so che se ye ntufo na ya kan de ye nim se Christ na ye so ye ya no so be wo kan ho asem
se me ka Christ me mo obi adi
okay
me bo Kristo din me ho adanse na me di me ndi oni pa bia ho adanse
aso mo so nya me ho adanse ano mo so
and so mo so betumi di Kristo ho adanse obedience o mu kwa because no kra ne se eno ne asade na Kristo di ma ase nyo si ye nkwa mama mu ni ndi ne ho adanse nchi ya si na entu ye mu bia wo ho kwan se o si di ne ho adanse enti me di ne ho adanse ono so betumi di ho adanse bibie no esi obi ho kwa so so di enti no entumi enu se ede entawantawa na entokwa bia ba obi na so bi ejima no ho se me make Kristo 117 na me se me kire se omdo mu Kristo me die Kristo asere se me ndi no wadanse na wadanse
okay esi onu na odi eba out no yes dodo sen ba ko pe ana se edonso pa
nyum so seven na even se me jizi ni nyina nyum a Nyankopon asede CC edema nemba megidi se ebeye inshira mafufo bebre se de kan no bi anim se me dia ko bi aba etie no sa na we so ebi mpa na we pa dia chen kan na kan sense emre bia wode na me oye ni sha se me ka chwe se na mani na se Yesu do ebe bibi nanso so ebe dumpempo so bia na fi nipa nyina age tu ewo mo na me de to so bae jeme na me be release my vision by na be chen kan ne de no ene za to so be pen de etu enti afibia ne emre bia ene akwanya bia wo maye se ye be manya mo nyame ho kwan wa fa so ahye ne pen e wo de ede ba enti me Jesus say wo de wo me nia bi de wo me so me nkasa so me de wo enti ne yema Nyankopon kwan mo nya de wo nkasa
enti da be na yen share animu unhumi a wodi betu jai da be na yen share e be chapa na se ni ya
enti ni ya be balance
between
the here say ye papa what because we are the president his excellency na fodo e be lift ban na fe e kwan be da ho na afi ye hu ona moto e bitu so
okay adofo Samre no se bi so wote no bonketia ni so wote ni achapa na Samre ye ne be mba na boye nyum nyum a ebibi nyam ya otuma yeso yetibi ye be mo no ayede ato ama ye menu mienu na ya tenene no enti no mama ye ntie ni nyum ni
me be recording my vision album which was 2004. And you my friend cemetery in Nenka.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Now because I'm my Bettina and cry. For the 7 days. Now me train say me executive producer that one Orlando. Or this Cabebera na media didi na media aye juma na me no. I train na me the studio ma. Ti se me to me free kuma se Bettina and cry na me press camera na me until me go for you say me call back to Kumasi. Because those times me na see na recording. Na me fi SCC no SCC wager. And nanti fi wager be see da kuma junction.
Eni wo nanti.
Me nanti pa. Sesi ka bia ni me.
Na chachale wati.
Me shampagwa. Na me bedru ho no na me yes me twem akọ the other side. No me for me nyaka ho na kosi circle.
Okay.
Na me kosi circle. Me twem from Kani Saturn na bucket ni ho. Enti me twem akọ the opposite side ho na new plan station ho. A traffic ho na edu. Na those buses odoko long buses no mo friend you know na ebi ni omo yini nyina Africa no so omo nyina traffic ni edum nti omo nyina no mo twem to wo hwe left no hwe right na wo kwan na wo di meka no twem mo so ba find beautiful bar no so twa kwan na be no hwe ba ko ntumi twem ka police 1 hour no ntumi twem ti mi gina ho na me so me bibi ka me se me hwe ekwan ya be fa so a obetwem ti mi gina me hwe se obetumi twem na ntumi twem se ohia mre na watwem ana me hu se ma ye Nyankopon boni aye na beto no be to makoma so enti mi gina ho na me start se me dwendwene hu se mi gina ho na acha bia kase Nyankopon betumi di ache me ene enkwa ekita me hwe payo yofo mu twem koba wonnam ho hwini wo mu boto so mani age wo ni se sike hwe de bitetika no so mani tumse woni mpe ukita pensive mood utenyo bia na nnaji etoma ko aso ahono mu se na aye boni aye Nyankopon boni aye me nhwe se ba fan a otefo mo kwese otwa kwan mu keke onto me twem na me wo the full self na bese me essence kanti me yi Nyankopon boni aye refi se Nyankopon peja mi fi ba bia na ni da so bia ni na minyi na ye me nanase enanse bent ne mum samre no na achede kese na kopɔ betumi no ache me ene enkwa ekita me enti mu no enyu e beto makoma so eventually me ko studio me ko to chere na si ene e record this na eno so eventually we the hit song on the album na me gina ho no nyuma na ka makoma so Samitiasi Eje Mitima Wo Etiasi Eje Samewe Samitiasi Eje Mitima Wo Etiasi Eja Samewa Fisa Bebre no Ya mami Oba Asame Mi we manu Kase Mewa Bebre no Mami Oba Asame mi boy manu ikase meyo baby nugu ayer sabia unya home nawadias binu sunam nensu wanyananpo wadiananti yeah Yari creep, my every babe. Nyena, yamutu, binuisu, nebin surti, arabo. Yeah, yenti aje, sabitiasi, ba el somani, mi we manu, because. Me waya Every natural moon One casa Being some born Nensu didi Send it baby now. Janina, dear. She. Baby was sick. Oh, what time? Oh, wahunya. Baby. That's one. Nyanije. Yenti ejay. Sanitasi. Oba. Asobeni. Iwe manu. Because me, baby, now I am me. Oba, I saw me will because me, Sammy, Ajay, betting whoa, metasi, eja, so may free say, baby, now ya mommy, oba, I saw me boy, manu, because baby. Baby, now I am me. But I saw baby, well, cause baby.
Wow. When you meet a car command casa. Just maboto na me pese won sam ma me wonnum dwom etoso oto enu bi ama me tia won asem bi sanim na de pa na me sure say etie foso a omu hye ye no ahwefo so pese omu betie sa anyom no.
All right, so mama mumeti wasambi makoko shambarma wow bubi Barimana if yes where you might be swinging on me why can't she rest so much from me mama mumeti wasambi makoko shambarma wow bubi Barimana, if yes, where you might be swinging on me, mommy. Yeah, why can't you rest so much on me? Jumping. That comedian, so disappear. Yeah, and Moyadro, when they call me, yeah. Minga why never saw me. That's so garani. Minina is so cool. Yeah. That's so me shall bury my yes. Where you my days when you know. Where you my days when you know. Yeah. And come in yet me. And come as cadenti. Yeah. So make sure I can make me. Yeah, where you might be swinging now, mommy. Now why can't she rest and be? She rest and be to me. Yeah, where you might be swing. But this one, where you might be swing. Yeah, must me be one more cry that can be a mommy. Then she bury my Yesua. Then come me. Into your man cry. Young man cry, I'm into. Some men cry. Some men cry, I'm making. You are deep swinging man. Yeah, you might this way in a man. Amen. Yes, I can't show us so much of me. Show me. Yeah, well, you might this way. You might this way. You might this way. No, I can't show us some. Show us some me at your me. You might this way.
In fact, just say only me can say ye chai we bet twa aye de asa to biom. Unu na just say de pa ye. And just say a cup mankasa. So and you minim sa hwefo so a wo hwe ye apɛ wo nnwom no na wankasa nnwom a ɛda wo abɔ ni nyinaa so no de ɛhe paa na ɛka wakoma wo pɛ sɛ woto ɛde encourage ahwɛfo obi a ɔhwɛ ni obi soso a ebia na bɛma bu wɔ abrabɔ mu a ɛbɛtumi ayɛ de ahyɛ nipa kɔ ne nkran.
Because after so many years after the release of my Vision album, Nyankopɔn bie kwan bebree ma was traveling in and out of the country most of the very often, and then one time we were Canada and I'm in a call from Ghana.
Okay.
I was wondering who was it. Normally, who were Abuchina or before Ghana. The first thought that comes into your mind is Ibakono. Because I said to be and I said first Kabibrano. So like I almost refused the call. So but then something prompted me to pick up. Now me fire. To be fire it was coming from then Minister for Chieftaincy and Culture, SK Wafu.
Okay.
And then come on and say, yeah, ex-president Ajikun Kufuor was celebrating his 68th birthday, and a year Semetiasi, Dikatu, Edanakuma Sopa, now Opesem Mimbrameto San. So then I have to fly back from Canada for that particular birthday, which happened in the then Usu Castle.
Oh, okay.
Now, right after the call, I mean, hanging up from there were tears in my eyes. I was looking at myself. Me cry no one say they say whole president of the country or invite or celebrate himself. Me mama to you man. And to for be a war Ghana when you be say men or person member na me to you man. And I just reflected back from where I was coming. Bisa say, what do you want to become in future? Now, we say, person be a doctor, person be an engineer, person be a businessman, person be a lawyer. They can't be any cousin come on YouTube because I cannot achieve those things. And I looked back and reflected on all those moments. And I saw how far God has brought me. I wondered what it's like Christo. It's a new Christo and can make the him fan. I mean, I'm here for now. Say a whole president of the country. Did a birthday now or so that song actually in Chemeding, and actually it's one of the songs. If it's not the song I love most on all the songs I've ever written, because it actually speaks within from whatever where I'm coming from, and I want to encourage everyone that is watching us that it doesn't matter where you're coming from, it doesn't matter what house you are from, it doesn't matter what people think of you. Comedian dance so bien so. Yeah, comedian, what do me move? Yeah, that's enough. Yes, tea. And your maiden, mean you need us so pure. Yes, so come maybe I mean. Baby, I'm me free. They're holding my bedroom me, and then me mommy I'm free. They want you. Idia me kai onyuma pa oyama mi. Yeah. Chamarani naedeni. Yesu Kristo wanjanya. Chamarani. Yeah. Chamarani. Marani. Yesu Kristo wanjanya. Chamarani. Nyoni minu ashami bio. Timepa na mini. Yeah. Nyoni minu ashami bio. Mepa na mini. Yesu sawanjimia. Chamedeni. Yeah, Medeni. Say Yesu Kristo wanjimia. Medeni. Say Yesu Kristo wanjimia. Minim pa. Baby, I'm free, and there would in a bedroom me. And then, me, mommy, I'm free. The way you feel me cry when you're my pa. I am a me. Maideni. Yes, we so wanjimia. Medeni. Yes, Kristo wanjimia.
Noble, unyumi dear. Just say, I come here, cause I'm sure say, I should force so, I come on ye pa. Na, unkomo didi mono, na wo ka say, wa industry ni move for 20 years, and na wo ye project being so. Na, me pese obedu musuko, akomo details, I mean, how far with the project, I hope so the banner.
Yes, I believe say for the past 50 years, I've been on the project called the Street Children of the Street. Now, you go to and say very year of fra, more more sebi, na munija. Ya mom baby at na.
So ka ko si say
ejanka sani kebepe. Na ya mom baby at na asho mo to say the mo fra ka nyina. Because me gidi say enye nyina ya sage say ebe bo masa mo fe susu benya da chipa. No kra wo mo a enim no say masa mo fe ya wo ya kwan mo nyina no nyini be ye an robbers ni prostitutes ni kidnappers ni sa we nyina enti enu mu na me de ye ni ma say me too many sham afraid too many sham kadai one number so say maybe be saying say one for me wa for na me say one for never come bini eja bisuni ela asa me do well na yana mi shishimi one self baby enti wo ba no sara one self baby enti wo ba no all I say Munti wani sham afraid. Munti wani sham afraid. Munti eni sham afraid. Munti eni sham afraid. Yo na way. Na ye mo dachipa. Na yo so ye niwa otna enti manso so enya dachipa. Say mo sam afraid you mo no we be president, e be ministers. Ti ya ma eni anko mo na se ya hwe mo a the so born in the bedroom. Wo asade meso masade Inyanti ena makosoa na emunu no se nyame de to makoma sɛ wohwɛ na mamua ne nketesi aba ɛnɛ wobɛhwɛ a mmaayewa no nyinaa wobɛni da slay queens so obiara pɛ sɛ ɔyɛ slay queen obiara pɛ sɛ ɔnyɛ sika mpofiri mu wɔhwɛ a wɔsomasi birthday atɔ Range Rover ma no ɛyɛ sɛ nti ɔno nso so pɛ sɛ ɛberɛ a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔbɛni deɛ ɔmfa ho no deɛ ɔbɛyɛ na wɔnyɛ bi no wɔ so ɔyɛ bi sɛ ɛno kɔ so a ɛmfa nsusafo pa ɛmfa mmerɛ wo mmerantewa so abɛyɛ nso so ɛnnɛ wɔn nyinaa fiti anapa kɔpem no betting companies nko ara na wɔte hɔ sɛ anapa no yɛtwa 7 a.m. deɛ yɛtwa 8 a.m. deɛ akɔsi ne nyinaa ne sɛ wɔn pɛ sɛ wɔdi yie mpofiri mu nanso so ɛho hia sɛ yɛbɛma wɔn anya nteaseɛ sɛ samre ɔsɛ ɛyɛ kakra ɛna ɛde success bɛbrɛ wɔn anaasɛ ɛde nkankɔ ɛbɛbrɛ wɔn na ɔbra no yɛmfiti prɛko pɛ ɛnni yie ɛyɛ gradual process nti no yɛdi dwumadi a mede nyankopɔn de to makoma so sɛ memfa dwumadi bi a which is a progress of mmɔfra no deɛ so which yɛfrɛ no the Hope Project yes yɛ botae ne sɛ yɛbɛma mmerantewa ne mmabaawa no akwanya ne bringing the opportunity and the platform for them to develop and grow well to become successful people. Now that in the next 6, 7 or to 10 years to come, you bring sound leaders. Now my and yes sir the next 10 years. Amaya and leaders are and I say what year my moon and yeah and coffee because Sebi great sir. The Omusiani the Omu and they will call TV so we call social media. Nyoma Musiani, Nyoma Muhuno, and Nyoma Papa. Intino, yeah, what I say, yet we gather these young people. Now, yeah, mama, we take them through trainings, capacity building, give them the platform and the opportunities to grow. If you know, to develop them, they will come back to also impact into the younger ones in that urban, just so that they will learn to develop from one stage to the other. Now that almost that every player. And to those that want to follow up on, I think sir, when on they should follow up on my social media handles. Facebook it's Noble Nketia. Nketia no kofo do na spelling the TIA, but maybe the TSIAH. NKETSIAH. Fanti. And Noble Nketia on Facebook. On Instagram, so Noble Nketia _official. And Twitter say Noble _Nketia. And of course, with Facebook page now, my YouTube channel also Noble Nketia Ministries. So as time goes on, with all these events coming in, all information will be put on this page. And if the people want to follow up on the progress of the project, and again, AMA upcoming album and maybe releasing so will be there for them to know. So the people should subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow up on Instagram, on social media handles, and can send me a message, and I'm sure we will reciprocate, like we will reply the message. Otherwise, they can call 0552 534 770 and I say 020 on WhatsApp 0200 8100 28 0200 8100 28 and 0552 534 770. They can always reach you.
Okay, now ansana yebekon ubija ye kran who release first album into 20 years a year already 20 years music industry one why yen shishe ye ebu apaso eba beba bontin Mepe say unwa wudi ka tutu ye nyina wo first album a wo ye den wodi ba abonten no obi wo ho a no onye den onhunu ya la so won ti bo say oh no bunketi anyi mo odi nka ye de ebo ye ni enti so betimi di wo last comment ye de ato wo ansana obeka metie fa ye de ati ansana o first album a wo release ye no wetimi ato amani
That's it. The mechanism with the Obibia say then I get people offering me to inquire about how far with me, they want to hear from me. Meti Bibisana and mommy in Panche, it inspires me a lot and it also makes me feel say what I'm doing, you know, it has been a blessing to many people. I meet people and they tell me encouraging words. The mechanism I'm show me no omkoso aso empire man so ordinary dom no mekoso adom me na obie ekwan ama nyama ode adua yemu na so ebetumi aye afen so obi biara o support me in so many ways financially substance anyway like I said I mean sure omo me or me ministry mu both physical spiritually and so yankopon enkoso show is me with we fancy na so ase se enyo omo a nka menye no politiketia me gigi ese yankopon e wo nipa bebre e de ma wo na ye mbo e ho ban free ye de na ye to me akọ back to a normal days said ye see ye nyo nyina san say because of covid it be nya event into me enye nyo wo say na ntini se e koso na ye nyina ede ta kwa nyina toto na edi so na efi wa said ye kanin yetumi eye event na yetumi bless o so ye betumi resume na bibia so akọ normal te say yetim na mi shi obi bia na omo kan wo say nyame na etumi adi nyina ye adi nyina mu mfa mo nyina amu ntom so ono de ono be kan enebo de osefo ahyehye de enyina ono nyame do ono ahyehye no ko ande betina na onye obi bia nhia na onfa yanko adom na menyomo no susu eye yesu to and then the hit song on the album. Okay. Yesu mi shoda yedi domia odeye wawata adai mu yeju adai mensasi Yesu mi shoda yedi domia odeye wawata adai mu yeju adai mensasi Ujai wahinyeho Bariasimu Beujimimba Iba mi bonina Wansha mi bonyo Wansha mi muye Yesu wanzi Beujimimba Awu Yesu To me see awika Yatimidi mi wina Maurati Yesu wodeya day Awodo Odai mweju Odai mexasi Yesu wodeya day Awodo Odai mweju Odai mexasi Made me home my Jesus. I pray no more. I reward you more. Miri Janita. Made me home my Jesus. I pray no more. See come on tomorrow. Miri Janita. And not to come bra yes sunshine. Asunjira yewudi denina enetika wayantembra bra yesunje asunjira yewudi denina yesudoi de odai we do Adam itasi. Yes, udoy, day, our dawn. Adam muyeju. Adam itasi. I mean, sure.
Ọjà emu yẹ du. Ọjà mi ti ase. Che o ze na mesa. We dey ye nishi kebium. But the more catch one say, too much GH. Na ko your YouTube channel. Subscribe it. Na fe nefa o comments. Nefa ye dey. Fato ko maye. Afi so sako Instagram. Any trader. E hosu sa nefa subscribe ye dey. Efa maye. Na too much GH. Ya ye betimi di eniyemo fe aye dey. Abrewo menyim se ebiom no wopese wo hye no bonketia na eda foforo no ye bese ehia ye befre no amana sababio enti eda foforo no ye bese ehia na medindi afia enstroma ba ko pe makawo